Hey everyone, I'm Jackie and welcome back to another episode of Lowe's How to Anything. The last time you guys saw me in this kitchen, I installed a brand new garbage disposal and a brand new dishwasher. Today, we are taking this sink up to the next level because we are installing a water filter system. There's a couple of benefits of that. So one, you're gonna get fresh filtered water. And another is you're going to save money and preserve the environment because you're not using all of those plastic bottles. So today I'm gonna walk you step by step on how to install a water filter system and show you how easy it is. Let's do it. All right, so when it comes to water filters, there's a few different types that you can use, but they all are installed different ways. So I'm gonna break all of those down. The first is the more advanced water filter system. That one goes through your entire home. That one is called a whole home filtration system. So the benefits of that one is that it's going to protect your appliances, your plumbing, and you're also gonna get filtered water where you normally wouldn't get it, like your shower or your bathroom sink. The next kind of water filter system goes underneath your sink, and that's what we're going to be doing today. The benefit of that, it's out of sight. The only thing is though, is that you have to remember to change out your filter. And lastly, the two over here are the more budget-friendly filters and a lot more easier to install. So for starters, we're gonna talk about the faucet filter. That one goes on top of your sink. The only downside about that though is that your water pressure might go down a little bit. So just to keep that in mind, but it is budget friendly. And then lastly is your water pitcher filter, which I personally love, but it does take up space in your refrigerator, so keep that in mind, and you have to fill it up before you use it. But no installation, and it's budget friendly, which we all love. But today we are going to be installing the under the sink water filter. So let's get prepped and ready and install this thing. All right, so the first thing that we're gonna do is turn off the cold water. Just because you turn off the water doesn't mean that there isn't water still in the water line. So I always like to have backup towels just in case to prevent any mess. Good to go. Okay, so now we're gonna disconnect our cold water using this wrench. All right, see, a little water comes out, but that's why you put your towels down, and now it is fully disconnected. This is a triple stage carbon block under the sink water filtration system. What I love about this one is that the installation is so easy. With other filtration systems, they require a second faucet, which can get extremely messy and very complicated. You're gonna have to drill holes in your sink. You don't wanna do that. With this one, it makes it super simple to install. Because the water is going through these 3 different filters, before it comes out of the faucet, let's quickly discuss which each filter does. So the first filter is called the PP cotton filter. This helps trap dirt, dust, any harmful particles in the water before it heads over to the next filter. The next filter is your granular activated carbon filter. So this really helps protect your home from those contaminants like VOCs, agricultural runoff, and chlorine. This also helps eliminate those unpleasant odors and tastes, which is really important when drinking your water. Your last and final filter is your carbon block and your KDF composite filter. The KDF filter helps eliminate those heavy metals like iron, lead, mercury. The carbon block is also gonna take out chlorine in there, and it's only gonna make your water more enjoyable. Remember, each filter has its own lifespan, so when you wanna know when to change it out, just refer to your manual or website or at the actual front of the filter where it tells you, so you know when to change it out. All right, now that we've talked filters, let's discuss design. So when you get your filter, it comes with 2 supply lines like this. And then on your filter, you're gonna have an inlet and you're gonna have an outlet. So this supply line is going to be connected to your cold water line, and then you're gonna take this end and put it into the inlet. And then this one is going to connect to your faucet, and then you take this side and put it into the outlet. Now that the supply lines are connected to your filter, the next step is to take your filter and put it underneath the sink. So let's do that. Before you put your filter underneath your sink, you're gonna wanna eye it out to make sure that you put your filter in the perfect place. You wanna make sure that both of these supply lines are gonna connect to the cold water line and the faucet. You also wanna make sure that your filter is high enough for when you wanna replace the filters. So now that I've eyed it out, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the right side of our sink. I also love that the filter that we got from Lowe's comes with a drilling guide. This makes it super easy to know where the screws go on your wall. So let's stick this on and drill in the screws. So now the screws are on the wall, and then we're just gonna take the top off of the filter. As you can see, there's 2 holes right here where we're just going to latch on to our screws. All right, so now just put the top back on, and now all there's left to do is connect our supply lines. All right, now that our water filter is officially installed, the last thing to do is to test for leaks. So let's turn on our water. Moment of truth. No leaks! But most importantly, how does the water taste? Perfect. Remember, if you're looking to install a water filter in your home, you can find everything you need at your local Lowe's or at Lowes.com. And while you're there, if you need any assistance or help, just look out for a Lowe's Red Vest associate. They're there to help you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and leave me a comment and let me know what you want to see on the next Lowe's How to Anything video. Cheers.